What if you could own a home with soaring cathedral ceilings, exposed raw timber beams, a chef's kitchen wrapped in stone and steel, a spa master bath, floor-to-ceiling windows looking out at open land, and a price tag that still leaves money in your pocket compared to a traditional luxury home? That is not a fantasy. That is what an ultra-modern, rustic luxury barndominium looks like in 2026, and people are building them right now across America, and they are absolutely stunning. Welcome back to Barndominium Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real home designs and real numbers so you can build smart and build beautifully. I am so glad you are here today because this video is packed. We are covering the hottest design trends for ultra-modern rustic barndominiums in 2026, a full cost breakdown for the incredibly popular 40 by 60 layout, and the top builders you should seriously be looking at this year. Stay with me all the way to the end because the builders section alone could save you from making a very costly mistake. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video. This community is growing fast, and you do not want to fall behind. The rise of the ultra-modern rustic barndominium in 2026. Let us start with what is actually happening in the barndominium world right now. The barndominium has evolved dramatically. What started as a barn converted into a living space has become one of the most sought-after architectural styles in residential construction. But 2026 has brought something even more exciting: the fusion of ultra-modern design with deep, rustic luxury, and the results are genuinely breathtaking. The modern rustic luxury barndominium is not a compromise. It is not rustic with a few nice touches. It is a full commitment to both worlds at once. Think matte black steel exterior panels paired with warm, reclaimed timber cladding. Think exposed wooden ceiling beams running 30 feet over polished concrete floors. Think industrial pendant lights hanging above a kitchen with waterfall quartz countertops and a hammered copper farmhouse sink. This is the direction design is moving in 2026, and it is turning heads everywhere. The signature exterior look right now is the bold contrast palette. Black or charcoal steel siding is dominant, with warm brown cedar, oak, or reclaimed wood accents used to break up the harshness of the metal. Large black-framed windows and oversized glass pivot doors complete the exterior, letting the inside breathe with natural light, while the outside makes a powerful architectural statement. Some builds are incorporating earthy tones like sage green and deep forest green as the base exterior color, pairing those with natural stone foundations and timber-wrapped porches for a look that feels grounded in the landscape rather than dropped on top of it. On the roof, the gable remains the most popular choice for its clean symmetry and excellent water drainage. But monitor roofs are gaining fast, especially for larger builds. The raised center section of a monitor roof creates dramatic interior ceiling height in the main living area and allows for clear-story windows that flood the space with daylight from above. Gambrel roofs are also popular for anyone wanting that unmistakable barn silhouette, with the bonus of extra loft space above. Interior design trends defining 2026. Luxury barndominiums. Step inside a modern, rustic, luxury barndominium in 2026, and the first thing that hits you is the volume. These homes are built tall. Ceilings at 16, 18, even 20 feet are standard in the main living area. Exposed structural steel columns and wooden beams are not hidden. They are celebrated as part of the design. They carry the eye upward and make the space feel as much like a work of architecture as it does a home. The flooring choices in 2026 are leaning heavily toward polished concrete, wide plank hardwood, and large format natural stone tiles. These materials are honest to the industrial bones of the structure while delivering a level of refinement that competes with any high-end custom home. Area rugs in warm wool or jute tones are used to soften seating areas without hiding the beauty of the floor beneath. Kitchen design is one of the biggest standout elements in luxury barndominiums this year. The open concept layout means the kitchen is always on full display, so designers are treating it like a showpiece. Commercial-grade appliances, two-tone cabinetry mixing natural wood uppers with deep charcoal or matte black lowers, waterfall island countertops, and statement range hoods in hammered metal or custom-welded steel are all defining the category. The farmhouse sink remains a staple, often in fireclay white or aged copper to anchor the rustic spirit of the design. For master suites, the trend is toward what people are calling spa-forward design. Freestanding soaking tubs positioned in front of large picture windows. Walk-in showers with floor-to-ceiling stone tile, frameless glass, multiple rain heads, and warm lighting that mimics natural light. The master suite in a luxury barndominium is no longer just a bedroom with a nice bath. It is a private retreat designed for genuine rest and rejuvenation. Metallic finishes are having a major moment in 2026 barndominium interiors. Brushed brass, matte copper, and dark oil-rubbed bronze hardware appear on cabinet poles, plumbing fixtures, light fixtures, and door hardware. These tones complement both the raw industrial elements and the natural wood materials, threading visual warmth through every room without competing for attention. The trick is restraint. Designers are using these finishes as punctuation, not as wallpaper, and the result is sophistication without excess. Indoor-outdoor living is deeply embedded in the 2026 luxury barndominium design philosophy. Oversized sliding or folding glass doors that open entire walls to covered patios and decks are nearly universal in high-end builds. The covered outdoor living space is treated as an extension of the interior, with outdoor kitchens, wood-burning fireplaces, and comfortable seating that can accommodate real entertaining. When those doors are open, the distinction between inside and outside nearly disappears, and in the best builds, that feeling is the whole point. 40 by 60 barndominium cost breakdown for 2026. Now let us get into the numbers, and let us be honest about what you are actually looking at in 2026. A 40 by 60 barndominium gives you 2,400 square feet of floor space. This is consistently the most popular size in the barndominium world, and for good reason. It is large enough to comfortably accommodate 3 bedrooms, a full open-concept living area, a generous kitchen, and a dedicated flex space or attached garage, all within a footprint that is cost-efficient to build and manage. Starting with the shell kit, a materials-only steel shell for a 40 by 60 barndominium from leading nationwide kit suppliers runs roughly in the range of $55,000 to $82,000 for the structure itself. That buys you the steel framing, metal siding, roofing, and trim. It does not buy you a finished home. This distinction matters enormously, and it is the single biggest source of confusion for first-time barndominium buyers. The shell is the skeleton. The finished home is everything after. When you factor in the complete build including foundation, insulation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and interior finishes, the cost per square foot for a finished, livable barndominium runs between $65 and $160 per square foot in 2026 for a standard to mid-grade build. For a luxury build with premium interior finishes, that number can push to $200 per square foot and beyond. On a 40 by 60 footprint at 2,400 square feet, that translates to a finished cost range of approximately $156,000 on the conservative end to $384,000 and up for a true luxury interior. Breaking it down further, your concrete slab foundation on a 40 by 60 footprint will typically run between $9,600 and $30,000, depending on soil conditions, regional labor rates, and any additional reinforcement requirements. Building permits will add $500 to $2,000 depending on your county. If you are in a rural area without established utilities, running water, septic, and electrical connections to the site can add anywhere from $15,000 to $75,000 to your budget. That is not a small line item, and it catches a lot of people off guard. Interior material costs alone for a 40 by 60 are estimated between $25,000 and $100,000, depending on the level of finish you choose. Spray foam insulation, which is the gold standard for barndominium thermal performance and air sealing, runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. Flooring will cost $4 to $15 per square foot installed, depending on whether you choose polished concrete, engineered hardwood, or natural stone. Drywall installation adds $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. A professional contractor for the full build will charge $85 to $95 per square foot in labor. If you are aiming for the ultra-modern rustic luxury finish we discussed in the design section, budget honestly for those premium elements. A chef's kitchen with commercial appliances and custom cabinetry can run $30,000 to $80,000 on its own. A spa master suite with a freestanding tub, stone tile shower, and premium fixtures will add $20,000 to $50,000. Large format folding glass doors start at around $5,000 per opening and go up significantly from there. The overall honest takeaway on the 40 by 60 in 2026 is this. A basic functional build will land you somewhere around $150,000 to $200,000 all in, excluding land. A well-appointed modern build with nice but not luxury-grade finishes will come in at $200,000 to $300,000. A true ultra-modern rustic luxury build with all the design elements this video covers will realistically fall in the $300,000 to $450,000 range or higher, depending on your location and your choices. Those are real numbers, and they still compare favorably to what a traditional luxury custom home of the same caliber would cost. One more important thing on financing. Barndominiums can be harder to finance than conventional homes because many lenders classify metal frame structures as non-traditional. The primary lending path is a construction to permanent loan, which typically requires a down payment of 15 to 25% and a credit score of 700 or higher. USDA Rural Development Loans offers zero-down financing for eligible buyers building in qualifying rural areas and are one of the best options for barndominium projects. Regional banks and credit unions tend to be more flexible than national banks, so comparing multiple lenders before you commit is essential. Top barndominium builders you should know in 2026. Choosing the right builder is the single most important decision you will make in the entire barndominium process. The wrong builder will cost you time, money, and your sanity. The right builder will guide you from the first design conversation to the day you turn the key. Here are the builders that consistently earn attention and respect in 2026. Boss Hog Barndominiums has positioned itself as the most comprehensive full-service barndominium company in the country. What sets them apart is their model of doing everything in-house. Custom plans, financing connections, engineering, local permitting navigation, and the actual build. This is rare in an industry where most companies hand you off from one vendor to the next and leave you managing the chaos in the middle. Boss Hog is especially strong for clients who want a turnkey experience and do not want to become their own general contractor. They build across multiple states and are transparent about their process from the start. Morton Buildings is one of the oldest and most established names in metal building construction, with over 110 years of experience in the business. Their reputation for durable, energy-efficient structures is backed by a nationwide presence and a portfolio that spans everything from agricultural buildings to high-end custom residential barndominiums. Morton is particularly strong for buyers who want the assurance of a company that has been doing this longer than most builders have been alive. DC Builders is based out of Oregon and brings a strong architectural sensibility to their work. They have completed barndominium projects across the country and are particularly well regarded for clients who are prioritizing design quality alongside construction. Their website is unusually transparent and detailed about costs, process, and design options, which is a good sign of a builder who respects their clients enough to be honest up front.
The Barndo Co. has built a reputation around client experience. Their reviews consistently highlight that clients feel like they are working with a team that is genuinely invested in the outcome, not just in completing the build. For anyone who has heard horror stories about builders who go cold after the contract is signed, the Barndo Co. seems to take a different approach. And in an industry where client-builder relationships can go sideways fast, that matters. Texas Barndominiums is the go-to name for buyers building in the Lone Star State, where barndominium culture is the most developed and the regulatory environment is the most builder-friendly in the nation. They specialize in combining rustic exterior character with high-end interior detailing and have an extensive portfolio of completed projects that gives prospective clients a realistic picture of what their build could look like. General Steel and BuildMax are both strong options for buyers who want to go the kit route and manage more of the process themselves. Both companies provide well-engineered shell packages for the 40 by 60 footprint and offer resources to help you understand what you are getting and what you still need to source separately. A note on selecting any builder: always ask for references from completed projects. Always get a detailed written scope of work before signing anything. Understand exactly what is and is not included in their quote, especially regarding site prep, utilities, and interior finishes. And if a builder is unwilling to walk you through their process transparently, that is your first and most important red flag.
What makes a luxury barndominium worth the investment in 2026? Beyond the aesthetics and the construction numbers, a question worth asking is whether a luxury barndominium actually holds its value as an investment. The honest answer is nuanced. Barndominium values are trending upward in 2026, but the buyer pool remains narrower than for conventional homes, particularly outside of barndominium-friendly states like Texas, Oklahoma, and Tennessee. Average annual appreciation runs around 2 to 3%, which trails slightly behind the roughly 4% typical of conventional homes in those same markets. However, the cost advantage at the point of construction is significant and real. Barndominiums can deliver 15 to 30% savings on construction costs compared to conventional homes of similar square footage and quality. That initial cost savings is a form of equity you build from day one. Combined with the extremely low maintenance profile of a steel frame structure and the flexibility to adapt the layout over time without load-bearing wall restrictions, the long-term value proposition is genuinely strong for the right buyer in the right market. The buyers who get the most from a luxury barndominium in 2026 are those who value the lifestyle the structure enables as much as the financial return. The space, the connection to land, the ability to have a workshop or studio or garage under the same roof as a genuinely beautiful living environment. For that buyer, the barndominium in 2026 is not a compromise. It is the best possible answer. In 2026, the ultra-modern rustic luxury barndominium has become one of the most compelling home building options available. The design vocabulary is rich and refined. The cost structure is honest and competitive. The builders doing exceptional work are out there, and now you know who to look at. If you found this video genuinely useful, please hit the like button right now. It helps this channel reach more people who are planning their builds and trying to make smart decisions. Drop your questions in the comments below. What size barndominium are you planning? What design features are you most excited about? I read every comment and I respond. Subscribe if you have not already, because coming up very soon, we are going deep on barndominium floor plans for families, and we are covering some layouts that will genuinely surprise you. You do not want to miss that one. Thank you for watching Barndominium Homes and Plans. Build smart, build beautifully, and I will see you in the next video.